Hey guys, it's your name, and listen, we've all been there. You're on the pitch, the ball is coming your way, and bam! Some defender thinks they can just bully you off the ball. They think you're going down without a fight, but not anymore. Today we're talking about how to transform yourself into a force on the field, a true soccer beast that can't be pushed around. We're going to break down 5 key areas: building raw strength, developing rock-solid core stability, mastering body positioning and shielding, unleashing your explosiveness and agility, and cultivating the mental toughness of a champion. Get ready to transform your game, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to dominate on the pitch. We all know football is about skill, but without strength, you're just another player. You need to build muscle, real power to hold your ground and win those 50-50 balls. Focus on compound movements, squats, deadlifts, lunges. These exercises work your entire body, especially your legs and core, which are crucial for staying strong on the pitch. Trust me, when you're battling for position in the box, you'll feel the difference. You'll be the one winning those headers, shielding the ball like a tank, and leaving defenders in your dust. Ever seen a tree swaying in the wind? Don't be that tree. A strong core keeps you upright, balanced, and in control, no matter what challenges come your way. Planks, Russian twists, balance drills, these are your new best friends. They'll build that core strength so you can withstand tackles, maintain your balance while dribbling through tight spaces, and shield the ball like a pro. Think of players like Haaland or Van Dijk. Their core strength is incredible, allowing them to hold off defenders with ease. You can be that strong too. Chapter 3. Master the art of shielding. Shielding is an art form. It's about using your body as a weapon, creating space between the ball and your opponent. Keep your legs wide, center of gravity low, and use your arms and body weight to hold off defenders. Practice this in small-sided games. Get used to the feeling of pressure, and learn to anticipate your opponent's movements. The better you are at shielding, the more time you'll have on the ball, and the more dangerous you become. Chapter 4. Explode onto the scene. Power and strength are important, but being quick, explosive, that's what sets you apart. You need to be first to the ball, first to every challenge. Sprint drills, ladder drills, plyometrics, these are your secret weapons. They'll increase your first step quickness and make you lightning fast on the field. Imagine bursting past a defender, leaving them flat-footed. That's the power of explosiveness. Chapter 5. The Mind of a Warrior. Physicality isn't just about muscles, it's about mindset. You need that fire, that hunger to win every challenge. Don't shy away from contact, embrace it, anticipate it, train in high-pressure situations so you're ready for anything. The more you push yourself, the tougher you become. Remember, even when you get knocked down, get back up stronger. Show them what you're made of. Show them your heart. Outrow, become unstoppable. So, there you have it. The 5 pillars of becoming a physical force on the soccer field. We talked about building strength, developing core stability, mastering shielding, boosting your explosiveness, and cultivating an unbreakable mindset. Now it's your turn. Take these tips, implement them into your training, and I promise you, you will see a difference. You'll be stronger, faster, and more confident than ever before. Train hard, stay dedicated, and let's dominate this beautiful game together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your game.